name is Nick Ritchie, and today I'll be showing you how to make an ancient Roman recipe called Comella's salad. The ingredients I'm going to be using today is fresh thyme, fresh coriander, leek, mint, goat cheese, extra virgin olive oil, parsley paste, some fresh pepper, and balsamic vinaigrette. Now, to make the salad, it calls for 100 grams of mint, but I'm only going to make it for one serving. So, I'm only going to add a half a cup. Now, all you do is you take the mint and you just cut it up with a knife. Make it really simple. That's all you do. Little pieces like this. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the coriander. I'm just going to do the same thing, add a half a cup. And you make the coriander the same way. You just cut it up with a knife, you know. And then for the leek, just another half a cup. This is only for one person. Now, back in the ancient times, the Romans would eat the leeks just raw. Now we cook them. It tastes a little better as we cook them, but. And then you take the thyme, and all you do is you just take a little strand like this big, and then you just peel off the leaves and throw it in the salad. Just shuffle it around a little bit, get it mixed up. Add a little bit of the pepper. Just want to shuffle that around too. And you might be wondering why I'm not using salt. For the ancient Romans, the salt was not readily available, so they just relied on cheeses to get the taste of salt. That's why I chose goat cheese, which is, tastes like a little bit like salt. The next one I'm going to do is I'm going to take the parsley paste. I'm just going to put a little bit in. Then all you're going to want to do is just take a fork like this and just kind of mix it around. Make sure you don't see any blotches of the parsley, because you don't want to bite into a big blotch of parsley. After that's all set, what the ancient Romans would do back in the day is they would take a grinder like this, and they would just grind all the ingredients together. This would get all the flavors mixed, and the food would become very thorough. The next step I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the ingredients I have and put it in the display bowl. Now for the dressing. What I'm going to do here is you just add a little bit of the extra virgin olive oil and just pour it in the bowl. Same with the balsamic vinaigrette. You just take that and pour as much of the extra virgin olive oil in. You don't need to measure how much you're putting in because it's all up to you how much dressing you would like and how much you want. want a lot, because the pepper will overpower the extra virgin olive oil and balsamic. Then you just take them and you whisk it together with a fork. You don't need to do this for long because it mixes. Oh. Okay, good. Now, you just take this and you drizzle it right over your salad. After that, you just take the finishing touch, which is the goat cheese, and you only sprinkle a little bit onto that, but the goat cheese is very powerful. And there's your salad. Let's see how it tastes.